All right, here we are, J-Mac and J-Mac Outdoors Jr. Nice little trip to Colorado. We'll see what we get into. What's up, Boudreaux? How's the trip going so far?
Good.
Huh?
Good time.
Get some of that Buc-ee's action. We're making good time. Almost in Dallas in like 2 hours. We are not quite to Amarillo. It's about 2 in the morning. We're gonna pull up here in this rest stop. Pretty nice rest stop. Catch us some Z's. Buc-ee's Amarillo. Bubba, you going in, right?
Yep.
How's the trip so far?
Pretty good.
It's just not the greatest trip ever in the whole widest world.
A lot of straight roads, just not enough.
Alright. We're in Colorado, Bubba. Your old stomping grounds. Oh, there's a fish over there. First time for the Amazon van to be out of Texas. We got to come up with a name for it. What's the name of this place?
Chiba Hut.
Chiba Hut, huh? This what's up? Alright, Chiba Hut sandwiches. What'd I get? What'd you get?
Midwest Best.
Midwest Best and I don't know, something, but it looks good. Alright, that's where we're going.
Yeah, I'm positive. 100%.
Yes.
I know literally everywhere around here. I DoorDashed up and down these mountains.
Okay. Alright, I won't doubt you again. I just said to the reservoir. Oh yeah, check that out.
There's the reservoir. Underneath all that water, there's a town. They buried it.
What you got, Bubba? Horsetooth Reservoir, Fort Collins, Colorado. Whack, whack. But here's their spot. There's Boudreaux Bean. Nice level spot. Little fire pit. Sweet. Alright, so we're just getting here. These folks are fishing. We won't do any fishing tonight. Just wanted to check this place out. The water looks pretty clear considering it's already dark. I know the iPhone's going to make it look lighter than it is, but we got some activity. We got some quackies. We survived the night.
It's cold.
It did get cold. There's no point in that air conditioner running. Oh. But I slept. You ain't gonna be able to tell. On the mattress, on the cot. I'm finna go see what it's about. Alright, so what day is it? Thursday?
Thursday.
Technically it's day 3. Really it's day 2. We got here last night to the campsite about 8, Bubba, something like that. And so we didn't do a whole lot tonight. Hopefully we'll have some fire. We're gonna get us some breakfast going. What a sight to wake up to though, man. Check that out. It's awesome. You don't see these in my neck of the woods. It's been dry for so long, it's like solid.
This is the kind of stuff that turns into fossils.
That's right. The next generation of humans are gonna think that we were the dinosaurs. They're gonna be like, they're only gonna be like 3-inch tall people.
Horsetooth Reservoir.
Horsetooth Reservoir. Oh, look at the duckies.
Inlet Bay.
Inlet Bay Campground of the Horsetooth Reservoir. How close y'all gonna let me get? Pretty close. Oh, that sun's reflected. Let's see if we can get a better angle. Hey, duckies.
That's an actual hit. That's not one of the mallards that came from.
That's what I can understand from a guy who's a regular here. He said he camps about 8 weeks a year out here. He said this is kind of its summer pattern, and then in the spring it'll be all the way up there. He said you can park your boat right there on the shore at the campsite. So I'm sure that's all the snow melt, right?
Yeah.
It's probably is what fills the lake back up. All right, official meal one of the camping will be the sandwiches. Here's super secret. Yeah. God dog it. I can't stop. God dog it. We got the fragile dare toast. All right, that one's just gonna stay there. I'm gonna spread this one out here. And we'll make a Dorito Crunch sandwich. How about that? Give me a slice of cheese on the other side. And grab the turkey breasts. K-Mac Outdoors hooked us up with this.
He just tosses it on there. See, I work at Jersey Mike's. I did it the Mike's way.
Hey man, 47 years. This method is beat into my skull. Sweet, here you go. Maybe not fancy, but camping sandwiches, they get you through. All right, so the shower's done. I don't have towels, but we got the hee-hee-ho-ho-ho parts dried off with the hand air dryer. I'm glad nobody walked in there while I was drying off their private with that hand dryer. That might have been a cops called situation. So we're headed back to the campsite. $2 a shower here. That guy said it was 25 cents a token. That's BS. It's $1 a token. It takes two tokens to turn on the shower for 6 minutes. So, which is plenty enough time if you're all about that business. Go take a shower, come back, and the park ranger done tried to steal our spot. What's up with that? All right. Day 3. We didn't do much record. Oh crap, almost fell over. Been extremely comfortable. We got our single day pass fishing Colorado, and we got the fire down there blazing. Whoa, that's crooked. How about that? Get warmed up, grab the poles, and head down to the water and catch us a walleye, which we've never even cast a line for. Little deer come to see us. There's a kayaker down there, so he's sketching them out a little bit, I think. See if he catches anything on this cast. Be crazy if that deer launched after him. Our license, we're going to go down here and try a little fishing. The only thing I got is a little live action swim bait. I forget the name of it. Brain hadn't woke up this morning. We're going to try to catch a walleye. That's the goal. I doubt it happens, but the store up there was closed. They'll open in a little bit. If we don't catch anything, then we'll head up there and get some proper walleye lures.
This is the inlet bay at the Horsetooth Reservoir in Fort Collins, Colorado. It's lower than it was yesterday.
Yeah. First official Colorado cast.
There it goes. The water was about, I don't know if you can tell, but The water was about right here yesterday. Oh, you got caught. Let's get this stick out of here.
It's a little 7-inch Nessie, by the way. And now our official second cast. Yeah, got it. All I got is three rods that I had left in my van. I had this swim bait, 7-inch swim bait, Texas rig worm, and a black and blue jig. So I figured this would be. I saw a little trout on the bank yesterday. I figured this would be the closest thing to that the walleyes might be after.
Oh, that's me.
Dang. Bubba.
He just got my pants.
Yeah.
He hooked me.
All right. Well, I caught something. I caught my cameraman. Backlashed the heck out of that rod. So just for giggles, we're going to try the Texas rig worm down here and see how it works, and hopefully keep this rod out of the cameraman's body.
All right. This time I'm gonna stay a little further back so I don't get hooked. That one's way out there. They heard that.
Did they?
Yeah, you looked over here.
All right, attempt number 3. We're going to do a little swim jig, Ozark rig. Get the straggler. Come on, buddy. He's going to catch up. So right where these guys are standing ended up being the absolute juice. And I wish they had showed up in the morning because these guys were awesome. They gave me the pointers. I just wish I had more time to fish where they fish. I ended up sleeping in the next morning, but I'll show you a little clip of one of their catches real quick, and then we'll get on with the outros. Now, before anybody says anything, these guys invited me down here. They'll be back in just a second and start showing me what's up with a better view. There are definitely some nice trout in here. There you go. That's a huge one. All right, so our last night fire, Bubba. What do you think?
We're going pretty good. It's going pretty good now.
Yeah. Get her done. I know y'all can't see my face and catch no fish today, but oh well. next time. The final day. Today's just, we're gonna get up, have some coffee. We're gonna go check out Estes Park, and then we will start heading back to good old Texas. Oh my God, we got a visitor. Oh, I wonder if those are the same two. You ain't got no food? Man, I wish we had some food. The baby. Hello. What y'all doing? Yeah. What y'all doing? That's a big doe. Look. Oh, there goes another one. They rolled right up into camp, huh, Bubba? A little buck over there. Nope, it's another doe. They come to see what's for breakfast. That's what's up. Where did we eat at, Malachi?
Penelope.
Penelope's. Check out those. That one. What burger did you get with the fried pickles?
Just a regular half pound. Got the fire burger.
Bubba got the burn your intestines. That's what's up.
1, 2, and 3, boy.
Nice. Don't get run over. Alright, the last little attraction. We're at the lift Estes at this point, and we're about to get on the road and head back to Texas. Pull over and had to pull over and get us a little better shot at Castle Rock. Good old Starbucks. Alright, against my better judgment, we're pulling over at a Buc-ee's, passed up a QT, which I think is better. So, some customers on this ride don't believe so. So, here we are. Buc-ee's Amarillo. It looked a little shadowy going that way. Let's see if I can get it where the... Alright, looks like we getting some free 89 octane today. They're both the same price. So we really don't need gas. But if for the same price, we can get a little over a quarter tank to top off. That's what we gonna do. Thanks, Buc-ee's. You might just got a step bonus point over QT. All right, Bubba. We got the Red Rock Inn Cafe. Where are we at?
Memphis, Texas.
Memphis, Texas. Not Tennessee. Would you recommend it?
No.
What?
Or I recommend Rock Inn Cafe, but don't come to Memphis, Texas.
Well, you can't eat at Red Rock or Rock Inn Cafe without being in Memphis, Texas. All right, we getting back on the road. We got about 7 more hours to go. That's a wrap. First trip out of Texas with my son. Glad he was able to make this memory with me. Love for you, fam. Till next time.